We are in the beginning of a big project. Lexus 570, LX570 4-wheel is going to be converted from 2012 to 2019 shape. Everything will be changed, the grille, bumper, fenders. So complete exterior look will be changed to 2019 shape. This is how the car looks right now. It's look 2012, 2013, 14, 15, they look the same. So it's gonna look like 2019 soon. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for your support. Okay, let me know. Let me know once you need something like that for your vehicle. Everything's gonna be changed. All the lights, all the fenders, bonnet, even the quarter panels, rear quarter panels and glass, trunk door and everything. Everything will be changed.